Well, we had an accident on the farm, and right here in my hay bales, they all went tumbling over. A big mistake I made was I had a little bit sticking over that pallet down there, and that's on me. And as you can see that the well, hopefully you can see, but the alfalfa bales on the bottom started giving way because they were not on a solid surface on this end. So that caused the whole pile to want to start leaning over. And I saw, Delia says, well, I can see all the way through there. And I said, well, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, she was right. She saw it. She went right on through this. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, about 4 bales, you know, in depending how you do it, 2 bales or 4 bales, and she saw the white wall on the other side. I didn't see it, but nonetheless, it had a big catastrophe, and fortunately for me, no one was underneath it here or anything like that. So anyway, gonna have to move some of these bales over, and I'm gonna add a couple pallets here, and because obviously I pushed it too far to one side, and this side's fine because they're all on the pallet. But you look over here where I made that mistake and I pushed it too hard, and maybe I could have got away with it if it was just a few bales up, you know, but in this case I went all the way up, and there's my problem. So let me get to it. I gotta get another pallet here and move my ATV over, and got a few other jobs to do, but yeah, that's on me, 100% on me.